This has been quite a few weeks since I've been here. Actually, it had been June the last time I was here. So, had a weird issue with this thing where the distributor keeps coming loose. So I got a new bolt for it, and I need to fix this. So, and I need to get the timing done again, get it right. So hopefully she's good enough to turn on and get home. So let's turn right on. Let's get fuel. Let's go ahead and bring it to the house so that we can get the timing all set up. So I think that timing gun is in one of these, so I'm gonna have to bring all this down and figure out where. All right, got the tools in here. Let's go ahead and go get some fuel. Stop at the bakery and then head home. All right, so just got to the house. Let's go ahead and set the timing on the truck. All right, so I'm setting this up. Timing light. They do have an arrow. See it? It's facing in, and I believe this is number 1. So let's go ahead and put it on here. And luckily for me, that thing down there, there's a line on there that I can clearly see. So right now it's a little bit about 6 above top dead center. Just finished tuning the old girl. Like I said, the distributor came loose. I put a different bolt and locking nut in there. Hopefully that'll help. And I put it back in timing. And so now I'm gonna give it a quick bath and then swap it with the E30 because big car meet next week. E30 car meet, so really excited about that. So let's go ahead and finish washing her and go swap her. All right, so awesome thing in the little pickup, all cleaned up, and but I need to pick up the E30 unfortunately because, well, fortunately I guess, I haven't seen that car in a month either. But for the E30 meet next week, so let's go in now. Grab the other toy. Now we're in the E30. These 3 cars couldn't